Hi guys, welcome to this XFCE setup. It's the flagship. It contains 3 desktops. Well, desktops, right? XFCE OpenBox and i3. i3 is a tiling window manager. The topic of this video is actually my website. It has been restyled, recreated, repurposed even, since this will be only talking about Sardi and later on the Surfn icons. And I've just visited Linux Mint, so an update for the Linux Mint 20.1. Ulisa, if I say that correctly, Ulisa, probably in English. Anyway, 4 icons were developed and are now included, and they're part of Cinnamon, Mate, and XFCE, all 3 of them. The next one down the line was Ubuntu. It seems to be, well, I often install things, create icons, and forget to mention it on the website that I've added this particular thing, and you tend to forget that. But probably made other installations from Ubuntu or for Ubuntu. But at this point in time, it's 20.10. We could actually have a look. YouTube, Arco Linux, Ubuntu, what do you get? Let's have a look. No, Arco Linux is not a good idea. Eric Dubois, Ubuntu. So he looks at that. How to become an Ubuntu, Solus, and so on. Destination Linux. Has been a while since I've seen these guys. Maybe 2021, right? Alt Ubuntu here, 1804. So no, might have been a while. So there we go. Super F7. Yeah, I tried to install KOS, wanted to try that out, failed miserably and not smart enough to install that. Burned it on USB, booted up, nope, fail again. So let's go for Ububu, as my friend Nick would say. Ubuntu. Optical drive goes in. Alright, and do your thing, man. Make it easy, make my life easy. So, this interests me always. You should be interested as well, because if you can't boot up, the E line is what is going to help you. So it says here, maybe Ubiquiti Quiet Splash doesn't, there it is, no mode set. That's what we've put in our line as well. And you can add more stuff. No ACPI, no Epic, stuff like that. And I've made a video about it and an article about it. And if you need it, you use it. But normally it's line number 1. That's the standard one you should take a look at. Check finished, no errors found. Thank you. You wonder why that's necessary actually, because once an ISO is correct. Oh, look at that. A gorilla with glasses. Oh my god, that's my first time here, right, guys? So this is, I'm noob. Install, of course, install. So this is not Calamares, that's important to know. Belgian is still okay for me. Azerty needs to be. By the way, in KOS, didn't get the chance to select anything keyboard like, so I was stuck with QWERTY in the end. Updates, normal installation, minimal installation, utilities, office software, yeah, sure. Download updates while installing Ubuntu. Nope, this is a VMware thing, don't care. Continue. Erase disk, something else. Let's have a look. Continue. We can do all kinds of things. Back. Advanced features. Use ZFS. So that's the options. I never really look into all these things. I just say, come on, install it. Follow the standard routine. And if you hear the noises in the back end, try living with a 20-year-old gamer. There is a concrete floor between us for 20 centimeters. Yep. Look around. Right mouse click doesn't do anything. Do not disturb. Okay, good idea. And then up here, wired connections, turn off, log out, better not press there. I can still click here and then stop. Why is this thing looking so strange? This guy is the tip of this thing, just stays there. Nice. Installing system, let's have a look. Alright, so let's maybe look at this VLC. Yeah, we have the shop, the GNOME software shop. We've got that installed as well. Spotify VLC written box, music player, Shotwell photo, GIMP shortcut video editor. It's also on Windows, if I'm not wrong. Firefox, Thunderbird, Chromium, LibreOffice, yeah. Appearance, assistive technology and language support. At Ask Ubuntu, you can ask questions, search an impressive collection of already answered questions. And guys, that's true. I fixed a lot of things on Arch Linux / Arch Linux reading solutions on Ubuntu. It's just a tad different, but the reasoning is the same. And that's why I keep insisting, you guys think out of the box. Don't be blindsided. I mean, don't just go looking in the forum of Arch Linux. Expand already. Arch Linux, Manjaro, KOS, EndeavourOS. It's all Arch. And then even go further. Debian based. SUSE, why not? Red Hat. I've read all these articles as well. So, oh, that's how it works. And then understanding comes, and there you go. I am installing LibreOffice. Oh my god. Takes longer, right? Draw, Impress, PowerPoint is there. Help in all languages, I see. GNOME menus. We are shrooting. The word shroot is there as well. Remember, if you want to fix any Arch Linux system, arch-shroot. Google it. You can fix any Arch Linux based system if you know how to arch-shroot in the system. And then of course it's knowledge. What did you do wrong? What package should you remove? What configuration should be gone? Should be adapted? But you can always boot back in. Mount the broken partition or whatever, and then do your thing. He's removing all kinds of things. Thunderbird removing, what's all that? Probably languages or something. Removing a lot of languages back. Language packs. Italian, Portuguese. I just wanted to have Italian. Damn. That's smart. To update init RAM file system, that always takes long anywhere you go. Still running in shroot, he says. Purging configuration files. He's purging my system. And here is the update init RAM file system. So take a look at what's inside your boot folder. The guys who've switched from Linux kernel to Linux LTS kernel or Zen or Ardent, they know files are being created there in order for you to boot up. Linux headers is there now. Linux headers 5.8. Wow, guys, we're at 5.9.6 or 6 or 7, I think. Let's have a look. 7. Look, that's the one we have, right? 5.10.7. 5.8.038. Generic. All right. Grub. Then we are almost at the end. Grub is there. Now he's creating another one. found this, found that, boom. And just like that, we're finished. What you have to do, right? Pass the time, read. Look at the packages. We're in purple. Aubergine, the French people would say. That's not purple, it's aubergine. Nice little vegetable. Vegetable. Connect your own lines. Nope, thank you. Help improve. Nope, it's all good. Next, privacy. Whatever. And here's some stuff. You can use software to install apps like these. Spotify, Slack, PyCharm, all great tools. Android Studio, that's a big one. I believe we've built it just for fun, 1 gigabyte or something. Whoa, not gonna put that on the ISO. But all the rest we know. Bomb Squad, I don't know. So all these can be had on Archlinks. Don't know about ZenKit. We do like to play Xenotic. Interesting thing. And all the rest. Mailspring is also something new. So let's write some things down. So Mailspring, do we have that? Oh, why should I write anything down? Right? Yay, Mailspring. Do we got that? Mailspring. Okay, fine. Okay, so we can install it. Fine, it's there if we want it. Postman. Control T. Up. Yay. Postman. The fun is always in the AUR, right? It's always in the AUR. So we got that. Not that I want to have it. Build, test, document your APIs faster. Not my kind of work. ZenKit, what's that? Control Z. Yay. ZenKit. I do want to be Zen. Okay, project management. I like to do things in websites for project management. But here you are. Simple notes. Electron bin, the simplest way to keep notes. Okay. So more things to explore, more applications for you to try out, basically. Done. Updates. Okay, there we go again with Ubuntu. Has experienced an internal error. If you remember this in the future, don't send. I don't want to install 300 megabyte, which is nothing compared to Arch Linux. Nothing. And we have, this is something we're missing. We're lacking in Arch Linux, Arch Linux. This easy way to just say, install me a driver. Additional drivers that you can get. The device is not working, it says here. Anyway, that would be nice for NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel, and so on, all the drivers that some of us do require. Backups, calendar, document viewer. Oh yeah. We're of course here to go for Sardi and Surfn. I almost forgot that. To-do list. What's this? To-do list. No tasks. Sure, have a task. Another task. Another task. And then that's done. Task is done. Task is done. Task is done. Okay. So I got tasks. Rather, I like to write it on paper. Yeah. Old school. Jeez. Always good. Let's say hello. VirtualBox. Otherwise, I would have waved to you guys. System monitor. The deeping one is a beautiful one, but today, January 2021, deeping is sick. Remino, what was that again? Connecting to desktops, right? Like VNC and like come on, the other one I'm using all the time, TeamViewer. Yeah, TeamViewer. Let's go and install our Sardi and Surfn. Well, Eric, go to Eric. Righto. I made a typo, but he knows. There you go. These annoying things to have to click always. Who invented that? Downloads. Download this guy. Download that guy. And there we go. We wait. Who's faster? Who's faster? Download zip. Did I press? Did I press twice now? Don't think so. Accept. There you go. There you go. Okay. That's in. This one is for 5 hours ago. It's Sardi is a process for years, and I tend to work on it certainly monthly. But the December month was like super hectic. This is January, and here we got the XFCE changes in, all the XFCE changes. Yeah, on Christmas Day, true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I don't know, 10 or 15 in a few days. Anyway, what do we have? That's the files. Okay. Downloads. Extract here. Extract here. Lost it. Extract here. Then another file. Can we do that? Another open. And home. Control H. Thank God it's always the same thing everywhere. New folder. Dot icons. So this is not Plasma. If it was Plasma, it's local. Share, and you put here icons, the folder icons, not dot icons, icons. And then in here we going to put everything that we find in the correct way. So Control A, zoom. That's one. And then Surfn icons, Control A, and go there. That's it. So now the system, if I got something to change with settings, I'm afraid it's not going to be possible with this. Do we need a tweak tool or something? Background, I never understood why people would not give us the possibility to, that's nice, to actually say immediately I want to have that icon or that icon. That's nice. That is nice. That one, or that one. You know what I'll choose? This one, of course. Don't like the monkey. Is this now set? Oh, that's too yellow. Do like the monkey. Let's choose between pest and color, we say in Belgium. It's no choice. Either one of them, it's always bad. Power. Okay. This is for the guys DPIs, the big screen guys. Resolutions that I say, oh my god, I will never be able to read that. That's gonna help, I'm sure. Mouse speed, keyboard shortcuts, printers, no printers, removable color. So I guess I'm stuck with my icon settings. And this is our about. So, Ubuntu tweak, what is it called? I'm not sure. Let's do a Control-T, that works, okay. To run a command, sudo /. Okay, sudo apt install, and then something tweaky. Tweak, and there is something called tweak. Is there something called Ubuntu tweak? Ooh, there's a lot. No then. Ubuntu themes. Let's see if Ubuntu tweak, that is the tweak that I think it is. So I just want to set my, no, not up here, down here. Tweak. Nope, not the tweak tool. They had the software package here, Ubuntu software. Let's see what the name was again. Do your work. All right. Mate tweak, GNOME tweaks, Unity tweak tool. This is not Mate, nor is GNOME. Is this Unity? Provides and so on. Window Manager tweaks, Window Manager tweaks. I know these two guys, but that's for Mate, that's for GNOME. I have no clue what to do. Been too long away. No, doesn't give me a clue. Tweaks. This, of course, we recognize. The question is this working? Aha. So this is working. GNOME tweaks. Cool. I want to see all of them. I guess we need to scroll. All right. Yeah, what's this? White glass, red glass, handheld, ooh, that's small, and black. I guess I go for Yaru. So, what's Yaru? That's Yaru. And that's sound icons. Surfn Breeze Dark. Okay. Surfn Arc. We have to open something up so you see the folders. And then let's check if we need to make something. So Sardi flexible arc. All blue. Oh, look at me. Hear him shout. This is not changed. Why is this not changed? That's a good question. Computer, user, share, applications, aplicaciones, yeah. And now we get this. This really sucks for an icon developer. Pardon my French. Setup background minus. Ooh. Ooh. Apt install Nemo. I love Nemo. Oh. Sunday night, sorry guys. Just chilling. Come on. It needs Ruby, and it needs this and that. It's incredible what it all needs. Nemo. Yay. This is not Nemo. I'll let you see at the left side not being Nemo. And I go to user. Share. Aplicaciones. Here they are. Ooh, look at that. Nemo knows what to do with it. You do not. You are a ... Right? He is. So that's application. So the link. Do we see that somewhere? No. So all blue. This one is not blue, but we don't see it. This one is not blue, but I know why that is. Yeah. They should stop using these hard-coded paths. Stop using it. Really. Ctrl T. Let's see if they have it. Sudo apt install hardcode. Nope. We got it. Yeah. What do we have? The work of Fogalong, one of the guys from Numix. Hardcode fixer. He put him some time and a little script where he, with help from us, actually, and so many of us, we tell him, look, that particular icon is hard-coded like this one is. And with that information, it puts that in a file. This is the file to fix. And I suppose we're gonna need curl, but let's try it out without any curly things. Curl to be installed. So, sudo apt curl. No, that's not good. Sudo apt install curl. Curl is getting files like wget, get stuff in. Okay, son of mine. Look, fixing HP printer and fixing Ubuntu IBus table setup. Is that thing? Yeah, this thing, I guess. Although it's not changed yet. Yeah, it's changed. IBus table. So we pass along the icons that should change, but these icons we don't see anyway, so we don't bother with all the work if it's not relevant, right? So all these guys, we don't see them inside Ubuntu, as we call it, Ubuntu. So there we go. There's nothing to do. These are not shown anyway. What happens if I do this? Then Thunderbolt or support security level could not be determined. The settings. Did we check that? Settings. Well, they don't need, the settings do not need icons. It's all governed by other guys, except these things. So it was good that I went look into this particular all blue. Nice, nice, nice. Nothing to do for Ubuntu, which is great. I like doing nothing at this Sunday night after all. Well, evening. Well, night. I'll join my wife. I'll watch some telly. No, looks good. All right. Ubuntu, you're cleared, and off we go. Cheers.